Flowmaster, the industry leader in exhaust technology, introduces the new American Thunder system for the 2011 through 2014 GM 2500 HD and 3500 HD pickups with a 6-liter gas engine. This Catback dual tailpipe system features 3-inch mandrel bend tubing, a 50 series HD muffler with patented Delta Flow technology, and is finished off with big, beautifully polished stainless steel tips. The system also includes a choice of exit styles: dual out the sides and dual out the rear. As an American Thunder system, it will typically produce a moderate to aggressive interior and exterior sound level with a deep performance tone.